In the world of SEO, or search engine optimization, there are plenty of people that are going to call themselves experts and promise all kinds of traffic that will supposedly show up to the digital doorway to your website. But what does traffic really mean to you and your business? I mean, if you think of traffic like people shopping in a shopping mall, yeah, there are thousands of people walking around the mall, looking in and out of stores, passing by windows. But are they walking inside and making an actual purchase? You need traffic that actually converts, and that's why your SEO has to be on target. At White Dove Bird, we're the experts that not only bring the right customers to your door, but through it, while making sure that their user experience is the right experience. Just check out the site, set up a quick appointment, and bring traffic that converts to your business. Listen, at White Dove Bird, the world clicks with us.